Hey guys, so I've got a quick video on a 2002 Volkswagen Beetle. Same thing works on a couple of year models, 3, 4, 5, a lot of Volkswagen Jettas and Passats. The problem is once you press the clutch, the car doesn't go in first, and it's hard to go in reverse too. To put it in first you gotta do is put it in second and then goes in first properly. Otherwise, once you turn it on and off, it doesn't do the same thing. So it's a very common issue. There's usually a bushing right over here. You see that plastic piece and the metal piece? There's supposed to be a bushing in between. You see all that play in there? This is the reason why this is happening. So it's a very simple procedure. You got to take this cover off. I just pried it just to show you for diagnostic purposes only. Very simple thing. I don't think Volkswagen sells it anymore. You can find it on eBay or Amazon. I usually get them from eBay. This is the part number. There's two clips right here, the bushing and the clip. Yep. Very rarely with this specific issue you have to replace the clutch or hydraulic. As long as you have good pressure on the clutch pedal, there's no hydraulic issues. So this is it. Sometimes when you try to put it in first, it goes in third. It feels like you're putting it in first, but it's going in third because of the same issue. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.